Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, and welcome. Today we are going to play a very interesting game. A very interesting and very different. I was looking for a math game to make a series on, to hold that niche because I haven't seen any. And as it turns out, I didn't find any math games, only puzzle games. And also there is a lot of very basic math games like 2 plus 3 equals 5 and all that kind of stuff. They weren't very good. So after searching a lot, I finally found a hidden game. And this is how it works. Your objective is to unlock the platform and get the gift. There is a question here, a math problem. And you can get a gift every time you make an offering. Now the offering can be, of course, the answers to the problem, but it can also be any useful related material. So for example, you can post the Wikipedia page with the definitions you need to solve the problem. Or you can post a YouTube video where they are solving a similar problem. Or if you are mean, you can even post your own YouTube video solving the problem. You see where I'm going with this? Free YouTube views. So the point is that when other people open the same question, they can see what you posted. And they can upvote or downvote. And of course you can make your own levels and share them with like your classmates. So they solve your homework. I guess that is the idea. Or so they will find the best and most relevant material for you to study or whatever. Now that is not the most weird part on how this game works. The weirdest part is what's inside the box. What is inside the box? Yes. So let's see, shall we? Bam!
Water. Your reward is a real-life half-liter of water. You can use water to hydrate yourself so you can keep going. Go get some water and enjoy it. You earned it. If you keep solving problems, you will generate other types of resources.
Water. Your reward is half-liter of water. My reward is water. My actual reward is food. It says it right here. So what do? I go to my fridge and I eat some real food. The rewards are real life stuff. So what happens is that you are doing math and you get tired. And the game automatically gives you rest and food and entertainment. But because it's somewhat random, you feel compelled to solve problems quickly. So you get the reward that you want. And it's actually very generous most of the time. So anyway, let's get to it. Let's solve the first problem. And let me know if you like this series. It's going to be a very mathematical series. So how many electrons do you need to have a column of charge? So we need to know how much charge there is in one electron, right? Luckily, someone already posted the definition. So having one electron equals to having 1.6 times to the 10 minus 18 columns. And if you don't know scientific notation, you can just click the video on scientific notation that someone already posted. But I'm going to explain everything anyways. So Coulomb is a unit of measure of charge, right? In the same way meters or inches are units of measure of distance. And charge is a property of matter. Stuff can have positive charge or negative charge. And the words positive and negative are only names. The point is that you have two different types of charges. We could have called them blue and green charges, or whatever. So equal charges repel and different charges attract. If you have two electrons or two lumps of matter with the same charge, they're going to start to move away from each other, right? And also the reason why objects are solid is because of this. When you touch something, this force repels you. That is why objects not just pass through each other. Like in video games when the physics fails. So we have 1 electron and 1.6 blah 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 columns. And we want to have 1 column. So we divide this number by itself. We have to do the same in the other side to keep the same amount and keep the equality. And this is 1. And this is just a number multiplying another number, right? So we have this, and we can use a calculator to solve that. And I don't know if you know the rules to get the inverse of a number, and scientific notation is the same, right? So you need 6 billion electrons, or something like that, to have a column of charge. A column of charge is actually a huge amount of charge, by the way. So let's see what we get. Yay, watching Steven Universe. So I'm going to go watch Steven Universe and see you on the next episode, where we are going to solve the next problem. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Who's a Zog? No, nobody likes Zognoids.